So we got names all up in here. Who's it gonna be? Well, hey guys, I'm Andy. Welcome back. It's time for the drawing. Our channel, thanks to you guys, have successfully reached over 200 subscribers. So we've got a gift card that we're drawing on today. But before we get to that, again, thank you all for being a part of this. So let me know in the comments below if you guys, what you'd like to see, if there's any videos you'd like to see me put out, anything different than reloading. I've got a water collection system out back that I'm going to be hooking up here pretty soon, and was thinking about making a video on that one. So again, thanks again for subscribing, and we're going to draw on this thing. So we got names all up in here. Who's it going to be? Iron Warrior! Iron Warrior, get a hold of me if you can't see that. Congratulations, you've won the gift card. Get a hold of me and I'll get that shipped out to you. Alright. Again, thanks everybody for watching. Looking forward to many more videos. And just want to shout out real quick that tomorrow is Easter. So let's remind ourselves and our kids what's Easter about. It's not about the bunny. It's about Christ and His resurrection. So big shout out to the big man upstairs. Alright, so praise God. Thank you guys, and we'll see you next time.